Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a painter's easel with accessories using Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x4 plate. I'm going to place a 1x4 flat tile on the bottom. This is going to be our grass. And we're going to start with a little tree with a 1x1 flat tile. And then I'm going to place another 1x1 flat tile on top. This is going to be dark green. Then a few 1x1 half round flat tiles just for some leaves. Now you can do this any way you want. You can make any type of picture you want to put on here. And let's put a little sun in the corner with a 1x1 quarter round flat tile right here to complete the painting. Now I want to flip this over and I'm going to stick some of these round 1x1 plates, studs with the clip on the back. Now what I'd like to do, I'm trying to remember how to do this in my mind here, we're going to place two at the bottom here. And yeah, I'm doing this all ad lib, which is never good. Set these like right there. May want to simulate that angle. Now I'm going to take the other three, I'm going to place this one here parallel with the top. And these two here, right in these areas. These are going to be used to attach our legs to the tripod or to the painting. Place it like that. Then I'm going to take two 6-stud long sticks with flange. I'm going to place these right here. Now what I'm going to do is try to get these as close to the top as I can here. Like this. Where they're even. And then for the leg in the middle, I'm going to take one of these 3.2 holes with a 3.2 shaft on the end. I'm going to place this 4-stud long shaft right inside the hole and place this right here. And this will finish up the stand for the easel. That's what it looks like in the back. It's pretty sturdy for what it is. And of course we're not complete with just the easel. We also got ourselves a little paint palette here and a brush to finish off the grass.